Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we will look at the day 3 updates from Tamil Nadu Management Counseling. I will tell you how many seats had been taken up college-wise. We will also look at how many seats are still available by college and by category. We will also look at the cutoff for some of the colleges under the management category. And I will also tell you at the end of this video one important point to take note for candidates who are going for day 4 counseling. So stay with me until the end of the video so that you don't miss this important point when you are going for the day 4 counseling. Now let's start with the seats allotted on 22nd December 2020. So totally 134 seats had been allotted under general category. Mada Chennai 49 seats had been allotted today. Annapurna Salem 31 seats, Tagore Chennai 25, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 5, Sri Moogambigai 3, Indra Medical College Tiruvallur 19, and Panimalar Medical College Chennai 2 seats. So that adds up to 134 seats allotted today under the general management category. The second category I want to talk about is the NRI lapsed seats, which comes at about 20.5 lakhs plus. So under KMCH Coimbatore, 1 seat was allotted, Moogambigai 1 seat, Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti 1, Tiruchi SRM 1, Panimalar Chennai 2 seats, Karpagam Coimbatore 2 seats, and Velammal Madurai 11 seats had been taken up under NRI lapsed category today. So that adds up to 19 seats under NRI lapsed category. And the third category we want to talk about is Telugu minority. Tiruchi SRM 8 seats had been allotted under Telugu minority, and Karpagam Coimbatore 2 seats had been taken up under Telugu minority. So if you look at the total number of seats allotted today, it adds up to 163 MBBS seats. There are 2 BDS seats had also been taken up, but I'm not going to discuss about that in this video. So let's look at what are the vacancies available at the end of day 3 counseling and the number of seats available for candidates going for day 4 counseling. So Annapurna Salem, there are 15 seats still available under Telugu minority, and all the 23 NRI lapsed seats are still available. So total 38 seats are available. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, 40 Telugu minority and 22 NRI lapsed, totally 62. Indra Medical College Tiruvallur, this is one of the 2 colleges where still we have some general management category seats. So there are 11 general category seats and 23 NRI lapsed, totally 34 seats are available under Indra Medical College. Karpaga Vinayaka, only NRI lapsed seats are available, 14 seats are available there. Karpagam Coimbatore, 35 seats available for Telugu minority and 21 seats are available under NRI lapsed category, totally 56. KMCH Coimbatore, nothing is available. The NRI lapsed seats had also been taken up today. Mada Chennai, so this is the second college in which there are still general management category seats are available. So only 2 colleges, that is Indra Medical College Tiruvallur and Mada Medical College Chennai. These are the only 2 colleges for which we still have general management category. So those who are going for counseling tomorrow, you have only 13 seats available under general management category. Okay, looking at Mada Chennai, 23 NRI lapsed plus 2 general management, we have 25 seats available. Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti, 22 NRI lapsed seats are available. Panimalar Chennai, 20 NRI lapsed seats are available. PSG Coimbatore, nothing. PSG Coimbatore, KMCH Coimbatore, CMC Vellore, these colleges have no more seats. Moogambigai, 30 Malayalam minority seats and 11 NRI lapsed seats. So totally we have 41 seats available. Tagore Medical College Chennai, we have 23 NRI lapsed seats. Tiruchi SRM, we have 8 Telugu minority seats and 22 NRI lapsed seats, adding up to 30. Velammal Madurai, we have only 7 NRI lapsed seats. CMC Vellore, nothing is available. So totally, if you look at the grand total, General management category, we have 13. Malayalam minority, we have 30. Telugu minority, we have 98 seats available. NRI lapsed, we still have 231. And then totally we have 372 seats, but bulk of them comes from NRI lapsed and minority category. Now let's look at the cutoff for management quota in colleges where the seats have already closed for general management category. That is 13 colleges in which there are no more seats available under management quota. So we will see that. So first CMC Vellore, I have already discussed this, 626 marks. SC ST candidates in CMC Vellore 535, PSG Coimbatore 530 marks, KMCH Coimbatore 520, Velammal Madurai 501, and Tiruchi SRM is also 501, Karpaga Vinayaka 496, Karpagam Coimbatore 492, Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti 485, Panimalar Chennai 481, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 479, Sri Moogambigai Medical College Kanyakumari 475 marks, Tagore Medical College Chennai 474, and finally Annapurna Medical College Salem. The management rank is 3,582 and NEET marks 465. We still have 2 more colleges in which about 13 seats are available. We will discuss about the cutoff for those colleges maybe in tomorrow's video. And I also want to talk about the cutoff for NRI lapsed. So only college in which NRI lapsed seats are closed is KMCH Coimbatore, in which the NRI lapsed has closed at management rank 3024 and NEET marks 482. Of course, PSG Coimbatore, CMC Vellore, they don't have any NRI lapsed seats. And finally, an important point for candidates going for day 4 counseling. This is based on what I have heard from candidates who went for counseling today. So I wanted to caution candidates going for tomorrow's counseling because the general management category seats are going to be finished very soon. Say, for example, when you're going for counseling, let's say the management quota seats are all finished, but NRI lapsed seats are still available. Now, what should you do? Because the fee structure is at least 8 lakhs different from these two categories. Naturally, I thought you can reject the NRI lapsed seats and wait list for management quota seats if you want. But unfortunately, it seems the feedback from the help desk and from the candidates who participated in counseling today, they have been told that if they don't take NRI lapsed seats, they cannot wait list for management quota. So basically, they don't have a wait list for management quota. So if you take a seat, you can come for round 2. If you don't take a seat, you cannot come back for round 2. Whether it is NRI lapsed, general management, or minority, whatever it is, if you don't take a seat available, you cannot come back. That's unfair. You cannot compare 12.5 lakhs fees and 20.5 lakhs. And of course, add to that all the miscellaneous costs that comes along with the fees. But as of now, I caution you that it may happen that if you reject NRI lapsed seats, you may not be allowed to participate in round 2 management quota seats. So before you reject the NRI lapsed seats, I strongly advise you to discuss with the counseling authorities there, confirm what is the procedure, get their confirmation, and then take a decision. I'm just cautioning you. I'm not saying this is true or not true. I'm not saying that. I just heard it. So I'm cautioning you. So maybe before even going into the counseling hall, check the help desk that is available outside. And even before you say either you take the NRI lapsed seat or you reject the NRI lapsed seat, talk to the counseling authority, confirm what is the procedure, and then take your decision. If anybody comes to know what exactly is happening at the counseling hall, please leave a comment below so that all of us can understand what exactly is happening there. Thank you. Bye-bye.